Today we want to make golden text in Photoshop. It's super easy. Open Photoshop and create new Photoshop document. Pick Paint Bucket tool. Choose black color and click on Screen. Click on New Layer in Layer window. Now pick Gradient tool and change main color to white color. Click on Gradient options and choose Basic item and click on Second item. Then choose Radial Gradient. Click on Screen and drag Gradient. Set opacity layer on 9%. Now pick Text tool and click on Black Screen. Write your text now. Pick Move tool for close text tool options. Click on Transform option and then change text size easily. Then move your text on document. Double-click on Text for Deactive Transparent tool and click Transparent tool option again. Now double-click on Text Layer in Layer window for Open Blend-in options. Click and check Gradient Overlay. Double-click on Gradient option for Open Gradient Editor. Click on Color Picker and choose Color. You can use this color codes for make gold color. Click on Gradient Line and make a new color picker and change color again. You can use this color code. For remove color picker, just click on color picker and drag down. Now for make a new color picker, click on color line, double click and change colors again. Now for copy your picker colors, just click on your picker color for copy and click on other empty sides on gradient line. You can change colors after that. Now click OK and close Gradient Editor. Now you can change gradient scale for Bezier and smaller gradient show. Or change angle for find better view. Done. Now check inner glow. Choose white color for and change opacity to 55 or 61. And change size and choke for make better glow on text. Click OK. Now make new layer and pick brush tool and pick color from your golden text. Just push out button on keyboard and then click on your text. Now click on best parts of your text for make outer glow. Now change layer mode on screen and set opacity to 43%. Pick move tool and for make copy from glow effect, just push out button and right click and drag. Pick transform option and change size. Now double click on text layer again and check drop shadow this time. Change opacity and distance and spread. Click OK. Done. Thanks for watching and subscribe digigraphic channels.